Elegant Python function to convert CamelCase to snake_case. Example.
CamelCase to snake case. If you do this many times and the above is slow, compile the regex beforehand. To handle more advanced cases specially, this is not reversible anymore. To add also cases with 2 underscores or more. Snake case to Pascal case.
There's an inflection library in the package index that can handle these things for you. In this case, you'd be looking for inflection _.
I don't know why these are all so complicating. For most cases, the simple expression, AZ+, will do the trick. To ignore the first character, simply add look behind, ? If you want to separate all caps to all underscore caps and expect numbers in your string, you still don't need to do 2 separate runs, just use this expression, ? equals AZ09AZ, ? AZ ? equals AZ, can handle just about every scenario in the book. It all depends on what you want, so use the solution that best suits your needs, as it should not be overly complicated. Enjoy!
Avoiding libraries and regular expressions.